Hello, welcome to all of you. In this lesson, we are going to learn affiliate marketing tips to promote your affiliate products with the help of review post. Nothing beats better than a killer review post about the product. A review article introduces the product to your blog readers, and at the same time your opinion guides will help them to understand better why they should be buying it. There are few things that you should always remember when writing a review post for your affiliate product. So let's see one by one those tips for promoting an affiliate products. Review post should be honest. Most of the time people just focus on pros of the product and ignore to mention about downside of it. An honest review should show both the side of the same coins or the different coins of the different product. Don't forget to add product images and give all useful information as much as possible for their product page. Second, write a review in a personal tone as people look for a personal recommendation on review articles. Third, pick a product that you are more likely to use for yourself. Fourth, take advantage of star rating in search engine to get more CTR. CTR, that means click through rate, for your review articles. You can use author review plugin to add star rating on your blog post.